Good morning. We got some snow today, and here it is. Well, actually, not today. We had a big snowstorm yesterday, and this is what we've got. So I came over to visit my mom, and she needs to be shoveled out here. This probably, let's see, hi. Oh, okay, I'm almost down to my knees. Yeah. Ah. But that was a lot of blowing snow. So I mean, this was shoveled out like 3 times. So to actually calculate what we had, I guess we have to go to the weatherman.
So sweet, sugar, so sweet, the fire, so bitter it all expires. I wanna steal me about your sky. I wanna hold my baby's hand. I wanna run out into the water where the water never dries. And if I don't drown, Lord, I'll never die. Bring your shovel. There's